Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK national questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. We are having CMAT mocks for rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for this package for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Malayalam is the official language of dash. The correct answer is B. Lakshadweep. So, most of the Lakshadweep islanders speak Malayalam. Ajanta caves are in dash. The correct answer is A. Maharashtra. So, the Ajanta caves are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments from the 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE. In the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state in India. Which Uttar Pradesh district was included in the National Capital Region? That is NCR. The correct answer is B. Shamli district. So, the Shamli district of Uttar Pradesh has been included as the 23rd district of the National Capital Region. That is NCR. BSE Sensex constitutes dash number of companies. The correct answer is A. 30. So, BSE Sensex is also known as S&P Bombay Stock Exchange Sensitive Index or simply Sensex, and it's a free float market weighted stock market index of 30 well established and financially sound companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Is the first Indian company to list on NASDAQ. The correct answer is B. Infosys. So, Infosys Technologies is the first Indian company to be added to the NASDAQ, that is 100 index, and is the only Indian company to be part of any of the major global indices. Rock Shelters of Bhimbetka is located in the foothills of. The correct answer is C. Vindhya Range. So, the rock shelters of Bhimbetka are in the foothills of the Vindhya mountains on the southern edge of the central Indian plateau. Which was the first garden tomb in the Indian subcontinent? The correct answer is B. Humayun's tomb. The tomb was built in 1570 and it's of a particular cultural significance as it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. It inspired several major architectural innovations culminating in the construction of the Taj Mahal. Which of these languages is generally not spoken in southern part of India? So, the correct answer is C. Maithili. Maithili is an Indo-Aryan language native to parts of India and Nepal. In India, it is spoken in Bihar and the northern east Jharkhand, and in Nepal it is native to eastern Terai and is the second most spoken language of the country. The iron pillar is located in. The correct answer is A. Qutub Minar complex. So, Delhi Iron Pillar located in the Qutub Minar complex at New Delhi, and the history of the pillar is revealed in the die-struck 3-stanza 6-line Sanskrit inscription at a level of about 7 feet from the stone platform. In which year RBI was nationalized? The correct answer is B. 1949. So, the Reserve Bank of India was nationalized with effect from 1st January 1949 on the basis of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1948, and all the shares in the capital of the bank were deemed transfer to the central government on payment of a suitable compensation. Name India's oldest credit information bureau. The correct answer is B. CIBIL. The full form of CIBIL is the Credit Information Bureau Limited. So, the CIBIL was founded in year 2000. It is also the first credit information company of India And CIBIL boasts over 900 strong member base, including public and private sector banks, non-banking financial institutions and housing finance companies. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort? The correct answer is D, Jaisalmer. So, the Jaisalmer, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so the fort is also known as Golden Fort or Sonar Killa or Sone ka Killa. Which dam is built on the Bhagirathi river? The correct answer is D, Tehri. So, the Tehri Dam and hydropower project taken up for construction on river Bhagirathi to tap its vast potential for irrigation and hydroelectric purposes. And it is located in the Tehri district of Uttarakhand. Rashtrapati Bhavan was built in dash. The correct answer is B, 1912. Which of the following cities does not have traffic lights? The correct answer is B, Thimphu. So, Bhutan is the only country in the world that doesn't have a single traffic light in its capital city. And policeman in Thimphu stands at major intersection and direct traffic. The decimal system of Indian currency was started in, the correct answer is C, 1957. So, it is started from 1st April 1957. Vedanta Alumina is a company operating in the area of, the correct answer is B, mining. So, Vedanta Alumina Limited is an associated company of London Stock of Exchange that operates in the area of mining, leading producer of metallurgical grade alumni and other aluminium products. Where is the Brihadeshwar temple built during the Chola period located? The correct answer is C, Thanjavur. It is also known as Periya Kovil, Raja Rajeshwara temple and Raja Rajeshwaram. Arsenic problem in India is primarily due to, the correct answer is C, that is over exploitation of groundwater in the affected areas. Which of the following is not correctly matched? The correct answer is D, Jain temples, Khajuraho. Rest all are the correct one. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.